A PMI survey found that knowledge workers manage an average of 7 projects simultaneously, but those managing 10 plus report 40% higher stress, unless they have a system. The system is the difference between chaos and control complexity. Create a single view dashboard that shows every project status, next action, deadline, and health indicator, green/yellow/red. You should be able to assess all 10 plus projects in under 2 minutes. If you can't see in one view, you can't manage it effectively. Even with 10 projects in your portfolio, you can only actively advance 3 per day. Each morning, choose your active 3 based on deadlines, dependencies, and energy. The other projects are on hold for the day. They exist, they're tracked, but they're not consuming your attention. For each project, maintain a context packet. A single note containing the project goal, current status, last action taken, next action needed, key links, and blockers. When you switch between projects, read the context packet in 30 seconds instead of spending 15 minutes remembering where you left off. Building a multi-project management dashboard in Notion with automated health scores, the active 3 daily selector, context packets that auto-update, and a weekly portfolio review checklist. Create context packets for your top 3 projects today. Just a 1-page note per project with status and next action. It takes 5 minutes and saves hours of context switching pain. Free template in the description.